Hey, my name is Cody. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about Whirlpool HOUSIng-UI part #W11368911. Whirlpool HOUSIng-UI part #W11368911 is a replacement part for Whirlpool washing machines. It is the user interface housing assembly, which includes the control panel, the touchpad, and the display. This part is used to replace a damaged or malfunctioning user interface housing assembly in a Whirlpool washing machine. The user interface housing assembly is responsible for controlling all of the functions of the washing machine, such as selecting cycles, setting temperatures, and starting and stopping the machine. It also houses the display that shows in. This part fixes the following symptoms. The Whirlpool HOUSIng-UI part #W11368911 is a replacement part for the user interface on certain Whirlpool washing machines. It is used to replace a damaged or malfunctioning user interface and can help to fix issues such as an unresponsive control panel, buttons that do not work, or a display that does not light up. Here is how you install this part. 1. Begin by turning off the power to the appliance. This can be done by unplugging the appliance or turning off the circuit breaker. 2. Remove the existing HOUSIng-UI from the appliance. This can be done by unscrewing any screws that are holding it in place and then gently pulling it out of the appliance. 3. Take the new HOUSIng-UI and insert it into the appliance, making sure that all of the connections are lined up correctly. 4. Securely fasten the new HOUSIng-UI in place with screws or other fasteners as needed. 5. Turn on the power to the appliance. You can buy this part from www.partsips.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsips.com.
Visit www.partsips.com to order residential appliance parts.